I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Jeep's Bluetooth. First, make sure your Jeep's ignition is on and the radio is powered up. Then, navigate to the Uconnect system on your touchscreen display. You'll want to enable Bluetooth on your mobile device so it's ready to be discovered. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for seamless audio. Once in the Uconnect system, select the phone or Bluetooth option from the main menu. Next, you'll choose Pair Device or Add Device to initiate the pairing sequence. On your mobile device, open your Bluetooth settings and look for your Jeep's Uconnect system in the list of available devices. It should appear shortly, ready for connection. After selecting your Jeep on your phone, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the Uconnect screen. Confirm these numbers match to ensure you're connecting to the correct vehicle. Then, accept the pairing request on your mobile device. Finally, you may be prompted to allow access to your contacts and messages, which enables full hands-free functionality. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the Uconnect system. Sometimes, simply deleting old pairings from your Jeep system can resolve connection problems, freeing up space for new devices. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience with your Jeep's Bluetooth system, making calls and playing music effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.